I'm Lindsay, co-president of Cullum Homes. I'm here today at Sophisticated Cowboy, our new model at 7 Desert Mountain on lot 18. We're meeting Dan Marshallsay, Vice President of Design for Cullum Homes, to talk through some of the details that we incorporated here at this home. I really love the feel of Sophisticated Cowboy. Dan, this room just feels so great.
Yeah, it was fantastic when we put it together, dealing with the kind of modernism of the clean classic lines blended with that kind of, more, I don't want to say traditional, but masculine. And
it goes so nicely with the aura of Desert Mountain up here in the far north piece of North Scottsdale. We're right at the base of the Continental Mountains, pulling those caramel with gray undertones that come through in the surrounding landscape.
Yeah, for sure. We took an approach of blending the same similar color palette with different materials to layer some texture in there.
I think one of the most striking things when you enter this home is the fireplace. It's stately and it grounds the great room as you're entering.
Yeah, absolutely. This plaster, it's a dying art. This is a hand applied material that you really get to see the fingerprint of that craftsman. We updated it by bringing some fleck into it, a little bit of shimmer that kind of really sets it off and brings it to the 21st century. It's really a focal point.
Yeah, and complemented with the ledge stone here. I think what I love about this ledge stone is that we selected it specific for 7 Desert Mountain. And those stones are a blend of 4 different kinds of stone that naturally occur in the area. And while this stone is pulling a lot of the oranges and the browns out right now midday, come the end of the day, that starts to look purple and blue. And then in the mornings, you get the green tones. And our design team took the inspiration from that stone and pulled those colors into all the rest of the materials. Especially at this countertop in the kitchen, you're seeing all those tones repeated from the ledge stone.
Yeah, we even went further with that and took it into our furnishing scheme, where we get some of the similar colors pulled into the artwork, pulled into some of the soft goods to really reinforce that.
And you're also seeing that up here in the light fixtures, this amber tone that's pulling from the Venetian plaster, the stone, and the floor, of course, in those caramel tones. Just like every little detail is pulled together. Yeah. It doesn't feel matchy-matchy, no, but it feels intentional.
Absolutely.